Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by gathering Curlformers, the plastic insertion hook, comb, clips, and heat protectant spray. Work on freshly washed hair that is slightly damp for best results. Use a wide-tooth comb to detangle each area gently before you section. Clip away excess hair so you can work on 1-inch panels consistently. Lay a towel across your shoulders to protect clothing from water and product. Count your Curlformers so you have enough for the whole head before you begin installation. Begin by inserting the hook through the Curlformer opening so the curved end faces outward. Hold a 1-inch section of hair between your fingers and slide it into the hook gently. Pull the hook back through the Curlformer slowly so the hair feeds evenly inside the tube. Keep consistent tension to avoid kinks and to ensure a smooth wrap inside each Curlformer. Space your Curlformers evenly across the head for a uniform curl pattern and balanced volume when released. Dry your Curlformers fully using a hood dryer or let them air dry for at least 30 minutes. Test one Curlformer first to ensure the hair inside is completely dry before removing any. To remove, push the open end to release tension and slide the hook out slowly while supporting the curl. Separate curls carefully with your fingers to avoid frizz and to create defined shapes. Finish by applying a light oil for shine and a medium hold spray to set the
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.